Hello everyone! Welcome to our online teaching class. So today is March 18, year of 2020, and we have our grammar lesson. So are you ready, kids? Alright, students. Before we start the lesson, please bring out the following. First, your pen or pencil. Next is your copybook. Third, your reader's and writer's notebook. Okay, everybody, please bring out your materials. Here are the objectives for today. First, you're going to find the singular and plural pronoun in sentences and its function. Secondly, you will make meaningful sentences using singular and plural pronoun. Is it clear? Alright. Alright. So before we start in our new lesson, let us have a short review about pronoun. So, what pronoun is, and what is the usage of pronoun? So I'll give you at least 2 minutes to think what pronoun is. Okay? Alright, ready? So pronoun takes the place of a noun. We use it to replace the name of person, place, or thing. And to check that, I prepare a short activity for you. Now please ready? We're going to start. Okay everyone, let us start now. I will read first the directions. So in here, it is stated that you're going to find the pronoun in each sentence. Then you're going to write your answer on your copybook. Is it clear? Okay, very good. Now let's proceed to number 1. I have piano practice at 5 o'clock. So find the pronoun and write your answer on your copybook. Then after a few minutes, we are going to see if we got the same answer. Okay, it starts now. Alright, now let us see if we have the same answer. Okay, so the pronoun in number 1 is the word I. Okay, if you got the correct answer, please tap your shoulder and say, good job. Okay, very good. Okay, now let us proceed to number 2. In here, we have, please ask them. Okay, now find the pronoun and write your answer on your copybook. Starts now. Okay, now let us see if we got the correct answer. Okay, so in number 2, we have the pronoun them. So, did you get the same answer? Alright, now if you got the correct answer, again, tap your shoulder and say, good job, because you did it. Okay, very good. Now let us proceed. Alright, so let's start with number 3 sentence. So we have, are they home? Now please find the pronoun in this sentence. Write it down on your copybook. Then let's see what is the answer. Okay? Okay everyone, here is the answer. So as you can see on your screen, we have the word or the pronoun they. So did you get the correct answer too? Alright, very good. So now let us move on to number 4. Okay? Let's try again. Let's start with number 4 sentence. She ate a sandwich. Okay, please find the pronoun here. Write it down on your copybook. Okay, start. Okay, everyone, please take a look on your screen. So we have the pronoun she, right? Did you get the correct answer too? Excellent. Now let us move on to number 5. Okay, here's the number 5 sentence. My grandpa loves cheese. Now find the pronoun here. Start answering now. Once again, students, please take a look on your screen. Okay. As you can see, we have the pronoun my, right? So, did you get the correct answer again? Very good. So, thank you for participating on this activity. Now we will move on to our new lesson. Get ready, okay? Everyone, please bring out your readers and writers notebook. Then turn on page 403. So here is our new topic, which is singular and plural pronoun. So as you can see, it is related to our previous lesson. Alright, now let's move on. Here's the lesson for today. We have singular and plural pronouns. So as you can see, this is related to our previous lesson. Alright, let's proceed. Okay, so here we have singular pronouns. And these are he, she, and it. While on the other side, we have plural pronouns. These are we and they. Is it clear? Again, we have singular pronouns, he, she, and it. While when we say plural, we have the pronouns we and they. Is it clear? Okay, now let's move to the activity on your book. Alright, on this page, we're going to read the text before we answer the activity. Is it clear? Okay, now let us read together. Carl and Dale were unhappy. They wanted to play at the park, but it was closed. The park closed before sundown. We should try to have the park stay open later, Dale said. He learned about petitions on the internet. Carl and Dale started a petition. They asked neighbors to sign it. The city council read the petition and passed a new rule. Now the park stays open later. Okay, very good. Now that we are done reading it, we are going to answer the application of this lesson. Alright, so let's proceed to the next slide. Okay, here is the direction. So we're going to circle the pronouns that name only one. Then we are going to underline the pronouns that name more than one. Is it clear? Okay, very good. Now let us find out all the pronouns in this text. Okay, let us start. Alright, so let us check the answers. So take a look on the screen. As you can see, we have the underlined pronoun they and we. So both of these pronouns are used to name more than one. Okay, that's why we underline it. While it and he, we encircle because these pronouns are singular, or it is used only to name only one noun. Understood? Is it clear? Okay, now let's move to the next task. Alright, as the continuation of our activity, since we find all the pronouns here on the text, we are now going to write it down in the chart. So we have the first chart on the right. So that is used to name only one, while on the right side, those pronouns that used to name more than one. So let us try. Listen carefully. They and we. So where you are going to write it down? Is it on the right side or the left side of the chart? Okay, do it now. Next, how about the pronouns it and he? If you remember, now please write it down, your answer. Okay, choose where you're gonna put those words. Is it clear? Okay, let's move on. Okay, let us check your answers. So we have it and he on the left side of your chart. So those are used to name only one noun. While on the other side, we have pronoun that names more than one. We have they and we. Is it clear? Okay. Now let us move on to do your next activity. Alright, let us summarize the lesson. So we have singular pronouns. These are I, you, he, she, and it. While plural pronouns are we, you, and they. Okay, don't forget that. Now let us move to your activity. It is individual task, so you have to do it by yourself. Okay, thank you. Okay, everyone, please take a look on your Readers and Writers notebook. Turn on page 408. That will be your first independent task. You're going to answer it. Use your knowledge about the pronoun that we have today, and then move to 458 after that. It is also your individual task. Okay? Is it clear? All right. So thank you. A short reminder, please, after your first individual task, you have to answer these also. Page 458. Is it clear? Okay. Thank you for listening well. See you again, students, okay?